Session 2 of Module 1 of Fundamentals of Financial Management of 4th semester BBA of Mangalore University. Finance. Finance may be defined as the art and science of managing money. Every organization requires finance for running its day-to-day affairs. Finance refers to the management of flows of money through an organization. Application of skills in managing money. It concerns with the application of skills in manipulation, use and control of money. Finance is the management of the monetary affairs of a company. It is the master key which provides access to all the sources for being employed in manufacturing and merchandising activities. So finance means money, just like we require money for our day-to-day affairs, our activities, to buy a book for the sake of traveling, to have some healthy food. We require money. Where do we get the money? Whether we borrow the money, whether we borrow from our parents, or we get it from the bank, or we work and earn the money. So from where we get the money and how do we use the money in an efficient way so that we get maximum benefit from the money that we have. Likewise, in a business organization, the right use of money or finance is essential, and that is why financial management is essential. So what is financial management? It is concerned with the duties of the finance manager in the business firm. It is the application of planning and control of the finance function. It helps in profit planning, measuring costs, controlling stock or inventories, accounts receivables. It helps in monitoring the effective use of funds in fixed assets and in working capital. Working capital is for the day-to-day requirements of like paying electricity bill, rent, etc. So financial management, the scope and objectives. We study the scope under the traditional approach and the modern approach. And the objectives of financial management mainly is to earn profit and maximize wealth. The role of finance manager or the role and the functions of chief finance officer. Then relationship of financial management with other disciplines of accounting, maybe finance and economics, finance and mathematics, finance and statistics. Financial managers, they actively manage the affairs, the financial affairs of any type of business, namely financial and non-financial or private and public, large and small, profit making or non-profit making organization. They perform tasks such as budgeting, financial forecasting, cash management, credit administration, investment analysis, funds management, and so on. So they need proper education and proper training so that to perform the task well. References.